Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today I'll show you a Christmas update on what I've gotten from family and friends, including this LED sign. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so to start off the video, I'll show you this cool LED sign that I got from, I believe, my mom and dad. So this will be featured on the channel a lot, as it's meant for that purpose. When I'm filming videos, I'll have it on, but it's just a piece of glass with printed on air, and then LED stand. It's pretty cool, so I'll have that in the background in most videos, I think. Second, I'll show you I'll show you these first. So I got this cool 1965, I guess the camera's really close, 65 Shelby, oh my gosh, the camera's so close, it's so annoying. There we go. 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 Revell Germany kit. I've been wanting this for a while, as I got the, here, let me zoom out the camera a bit more so you can actually see what I'm doing. But as I've got the 62 Shelby Cobra 289 version, but I prefer the 427. I'm gonna probably build both of these, so I'll definitely do updates on those. Stay tuned for that. I also got this it's an MPC kit, but I don't know about MPC. They're kind of like iffy for me. They can be either really good or really terrible, so I'm hoping this is good. 1970 Pontiac pickup, or open roadster, or something like that. It's a pretty interesting kit. I'm excited to build it. And I also got this 39 Chevy Coupe Lowrider, which is also super awesome. And it comes here, I'm just going to open the box really quick to show you some cool stuff about it. But it comes with this gold tree. It's pretty interesting. If you want to see me build that up, let me know in the comments. If you want to see me build any of these up, let me know in the comments. And then my dad, my mom and I got this one for him. He's been wanting the custom Cadillac Lowrider for a while. So we got that for him at Daly's Hobbies in, where is it? I forget where it is. Oh, in Whitby. And then we also got this one for him. This Monogram High Performance Series Buick GNX. He likes this type of car, this style of car. His first car was Oldsmobile Cutlass, so he loves those. And my mom and I also got him this Bossa Nova kit, Model King. Pretty interesting. Like the engine's in the middle of the car. Pretty interesting stuff. And finally, for my dad, we got this big AMT car hauler and truck kit. I don't know what he's planning to do with this, but it should be pretty. Oh, wait, yeah, that's right. He's gonna do the Revell Authentic kit, Junior Dragsters, Tony Nancy's Junior Dragsters. Sorry, I'm looking up at the wall here. But yeah, super cool. And this is probably my favorite, or there's two of my favorite kits that I got. Thank you to Sandy for allowing my dad to purchase these. But here is a sealed Plymouth police wagon by Johan. It's super mint. I'll show you the box now, because probably won't do a separate video on this. We'll see. Definitely not opening this one up. But yep, all sealed inside. Hopefully I can find a built up of this so I can put it in front of the box, but not sure yet. For those of you who have watched my Rambler American series, here's the flat box Johan kit, bro. So I'll definitely do an unboxing on this video. Look, there's either oh, But I'll definitely do a unboxing video on this, and I'll put this in front of the Built Rambler kit. But yeah, let me know if you want to see that. And also, you may have noticed the mat here is completely different. It's huge. It goes all the way here and all the way down there. Still going. There. And that's a big difference from this little mat, which it like dwarfs it. So that's nice. I've gotten a couple other things, but that's really about it for all the model stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And depending on when this video is released, either Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, or just I'll just say Happy Holidays. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next one. Goodbye.